And I'm going to be putting on an eyeshadow look. Wow, Tennessee just comes straight out of my mouth there. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are doing first impressions on my Morphe items. So I'm really excited about that. We're going to be doing a first impression on the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, but also the Morphe Eyelid Primer. So I'm going to be putting that on. We're going to be doing an eyeshadow look together. And I'm going to be using the 35M Boss Mood palette. This is so beautiful, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at those colors. And then I have these tiny detailed brushes. So I'm going to be using these with my eye look just to see how they work. And I'm also doing new first impressions on the beauty sponges. So I have this one, which I think I'm going to go ahead and apply my foundation with. And this one's more pointed, so I think I'll do my concealer with this one. But also it's got this sharp edge here, so ooh, I could clean up the edge if I'm doing a sharp eye look, but I don't know what I'm doing yet. Let's move on to the foundation. For the foundation that I am using, I am going in with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion. This is pretty firm, actually. Kind of feel like I'm punching myself in the face. It doesn't really squish like comfortably into your skin. It's not very bouncy. It's like it's very poom 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 poom. My Real Techniques one that I got for Christmas is very soft. Alright, this one is also very firm. It's like very hard. So I'm going to try and do my concealer real quick. Alright, so there's the beauty sponges. So they're hard. If you're into that dense, really dense beauty sponges, I think you'll love these. I enjoy the softer beauty sponges. So, I mean, this one was kind of nice. It's really nice and sharp. And because it isn't soft, it doesn't kind of fold into your skin. It stays nice and straight there on those edges. So, that one I do like. This one is just like punching me in the face. That's not what I'm about. Let's go ahead and do this eyelid primer. And it says apply a thin layer to bare lids. We'll be doing an eye look with these gorgeous babes right here. Yes. I am noticing, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's kind of sticking to an area here on my eyelid that I wasn't even aware I had texture on. And that looks horrible. Oh my gosh, that looks so bad. Ew. Oh my god, how is that even going to blend over the top of that? It's going to show all of that texture under. Oh, I am irritated. Oh, hopefully it doesn't do that on the other eye. Oh, I am really, that is just disgusting. I am not happy. Okay. Can you guys see the texture that is building up right here? This has all this texture because of that base. So I am already very, very unhappy with this primer. It caused texture I did not even know existed, and now you can see that through my eyeshadow look. So as of right now, first impressions, I hate it, and I am not happy. I'm already unhappy with my makeup look, and I haven't even been wearing it 5 minutes. You guys, I'm doing this eye now, but this eye is doing the exact thing. It just is all I'm not happy with it. So, no. We'll see how it wears, but I mean, this is just all texture. Let's move on to the rest of the face. Alright, for the blush, I'm actually going in with Benefit Dandelion. For highlighter, I'm actually going in with my new BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight 6-color palette. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with this pink right here, right in the middle. And that is Allure. Very pink. Wow. That looks just like it does in the pan. Now I am doing the lips and then we are done. I am going in with Liquid Catsuit in Berry Recognize. Ooh, yes. This is gonna pull in that kind of pink shade that I have going on in my shirt, so. Alright, last thing is the setting spray, so let's see how this does. Oh my gosh, it's so light. That's really nice. Oh, it's so light and beautiful. Ooh. Alright, let me just let this dry. I'll come back later tonight and I will show you guys how the makeup has held up. Well, that is all I have, and I'll see you guys in just a minute. Alright, you guys, I am back. It is 12:16 a.m. So I've been wearing this for quite a while. It is now the next day. It's not too bad though. I don't even blame the setting spray because the setting spray held everything in place perfectly. It's just my skin and foundation issues because everything else is I love it. All right, let's zoom in. Looks great. I think my forehead looks really good. My nose, that's just a dry patch. I need to exfoliate. It's disgusting. Here's some flaking going on from my mascara, but that's a mascara issue. My eyeshadow looks like I just put it on. Like that hasn't moved. That's incredible. Okay, so there's my face. I'm sorry about that. So let's see here. You know my. So those. This I lost the cap. It's gone forever. Somewhere in my summer. Bye. But this left horrible texture on my eyelids, and even though my eyeshadow held up amazingly, it also holds up just as amazing with my P. Louise base. So I'm just gonna stick with that because this does not give me any texture whatsoever. This gave me horrible texture. Horrible. I love this. I freaking love this. This is amazing. This is the best thing ever. I love this so much. So that's all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! I'm using the Contrice. Oh, I mean, that corner works nicely there in between your nose. We'll be doing an eyelid look. So if you are sensitive to fragrance,